One sunny afternoon, while Chirpy was teaching her chicks how to find food, she noticed a faint smell of smoke in the air. The wind carried a soft orange glow from far away. Chirpy immediately realized something was wrong. "Children, come close," she called urgently. The chicks fluttered over, sensing her serious tone. "What is it, Mama?" Pip asked, tilting his tiny head. "There is a fire in the forest," Chirpy said, her voice calm but firm. "Fires can spread quickly and become very dangerous. I need all of you to listen carefully. I will teach you how to stay safe." The chicks' eyes grew wide. "But, Mama, what can we do? We are so small," Squeak chirped nervously. Chirpy smiled gently. "Even the smallest birds can be smart and brave. Here is what we must do. Stay alert. First, always watch and listen for danger. Fires crackle, and you might see smoke or feel the heat before the fire gets close. If you sense any of these signs, do not wait. We must act quickly." Tiny flapped his little wings. "I will keep my eyes wide open, Mama. Fly low and away." If a fire is near, we must fly away from it. But remember, smoke rises high into the sky. To stay safe, we need to fly low, where the air is clearer. Always head towards the river or an open field, where the fire cannot reach. Pip chirped, "I will lead the way to the river, Mama." "Never hide on the ground. Never hide under bushes or trees during a fire," Chirpy continued. "The fire can move fast and burn everything in its path. Open spaces, like a riverbank or a wide field, are much safer." Squeak asked, "What if we get tired?" "If you feel tired," Chirpy said, "find a safe perch away from the fire to rest, but do not stop for too long. We must keep moving until we are far away. Stick together." "Most importantly," Chirpy said, looking at her chicks lovingly, "we must stay together. In times of danger, helping each other is the best way to stay safe. If anyone feels scared, the others will give them courage." The chicks nodded. "We will stick together, Mama." The test of courage. As the sun began to set, the smell of smoke grew stronger and the forest animals began to scatter. The fire was getting closer. Chirpy called her chicks. "It is time to fly, my little ones. Remember everything I taught you." The family flapped their wings and flew low, just as Chirpy had instructed. The air was warm, and the smoke made it hard to see, but they stayed close together. Tiny started to feel tired, but Pip and Squeak cheered him on. "You can do it, Tiny! We are almost there!" Finally, they reached the riverbank, where the cool breeze and fresh water kept them safe. Chirpy hugged her chicks with her wings. "You were all so brave and smart. I am proud of you." As they watched the fire burn in the distance, Chirpy said, "This is why we must always learn about the world around us. Even in the scariest moments, knowledge and teamwork can keep us safe." The lesson for everyone. The next day, the forest began to recover. Green shoots sprouted from the ground, and the animals returned. Chirpy and her chicks helped their neighbors rebuild their nests, sharing the lessons they had learned. The forest animals agreed. Knowing how to stay safe during a fire was a lesson everyone needed to remember.